Hi, welcome back. Today is 16th of May and tomorrow it's exactly 8 weeks since we published the factory project right in this place. The scenery is a lot different now, so let's go and have a little look on what's happened. As you can see, the frame is already pretty much put up. They're putting the last pieces to the roof at the moment, and then next stop we'll be putting up the roof and then the walls. So it looks good. Now that the frame is starting to be ready, you can get a little feel about the dimensions. And this corner here will be the showroom, where we can then show our products. So you can actually come and have a little look yourself. And then that side of it will be the office world and the training center. And then from here to all the way the back, it's the production side where all the magic will happen and the shears will take place. As the assembly is going, there is not really much our organization can do, and we let the professionals do their job. So it's time for us to start focusing on the workers who will come to work here at the factory. The interviews for the workers and the candidates are already ongoing. As you can see, the scenery has changed quite a bit in the past 8 weeks. So have to be happy for the progress, and we're still in schedule. Thanks for watching.